Alright guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to upload files in Google Drive and actually share the link. So it's actually really easy and simple. So come here, for example, these are the files I want to, upload to Google Drive. You just look at your files. Of course you can come here and, right click and click on file upload to upload those files, and then you browse through your computer. But just like a normal person, what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to drag and drop the files I want to upload. So come here, these are the files I want to upload. I can just, highlight them like this and drag it to here and just copy. So it's going to start uploading immediately, guys. As you can see, the files are now uploading. And I'm going to show you just how we can share this, okay? It's really easy and simple. You can actually share the whole of this folder, guys, by clicking on share. And then when you click on share, this is what I want you to do. Click on share first before you actually copy a link, because we want to give access to other people to view this. Okay, look here, this is only restricted. So we can give this anyone with a link, so that now anyone with this link can view and they can download these things. Just copy the link and you can share it. If you want to share individual files, you can just come here, click on these three dots, then open up more action. You just do the same thing and click on share. In this case, since we did that for the whole folder for anyone with a link, basically everyone can get for each file now. So what we can do is just click on share and then just copy link and share it to whoever you want to share it with. You have the link copied right here. For example, look at this. I just copied the link to the file. It's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if the video helps, make sure you hit that like button. If you're still having trouble, you can comment down below and I'll try to help you out. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides so I can see you guys in the next video.